How much does a polar bear weigh? Okay.
Hi guys, we are currently at Universal Studios. I'm with my boyfriend.
Hello.
Okay, so we're gonna answer some questions.
Yep.
About whatever couple tech questions while going through the whole Universal Studios. Okay, so the first question is, babe,
Where and when did we first meet?
when did we meet?
I think the first one would be 11 July
11 July.
2012.
Okay.
But I first met her on Twitter.
Yeah, okay, so how we met was, we have a mutual friend. So our mutual friend posted a photo, and then I saw his face on the photo and I'm like, damn, he cute. And then I just followed him everywhere, like on Twitter, on all the social media, and yeah, so we started indirectly tweeting each other on Twitter. And yeah, and then my friend was, our mutual friend was just like, can you guys just change numbers already? So yeah, that is how we started talking to each other.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
Babe, we're gonna take the roller coaster, okay?
Thank you.
Oh my god, we just took the monkey ride.
Why laugh?
It was so freaking funny. I was literally laughing on me. Because this guy was shouting like crazy. I wanted to shout. Yeah, I wanted to shout because I was kind of like scared, but oh my god, he just, I can't.
Actually, I'm scared, but I have to impress my girlfriend.
Okay, next question.
Where was our first date? Starbucks! Civic.
Civic Center Starbucks. I guess that was a date. To me, it was more like a meet-up kind of thing. But okay.
And I had no penny at all at that time.
He was so broke. He was so broke.
Young, dumb, and broke.
Still young, dumb, and not broke.
So the next question is, what was your first impression of me?
Okay, I'm gonna say my first impression, because we obviously talked on the phone first before meeting each other. All I know is that he's a Malay guy from ITE and he's my friend's friend. Okay, so I was like expecting a really like so Malay guy. But then when I heard his voice, I was so like pleasantly surprised, and yeah. And then like when I first met him, I was like, oh, he's so cute and so shy.
So my first impression of her is she's cute, she's beautiful, she talks a lot. Trying to get to know more about me when we first met. I was literally shy because this is my first date.
So Amali got this for himself. He wanted a burger and just wanted cheese fries. And we got some milkshake. How cute is the diner? I've been to USS like 3 times already, and this is the first time I'm eating here.
Weird habit of each other. I know this. She likes to bite her nails.
Oh my god, my dad will agree with me. I don't know what's your habit.
Maybe I always wing at her.
Yeah, he likes to wink at me. Like the most inappropriate times ever. Like, and then I'll be like,
What I often do in my free time.
he will work in his free time. He will find like work on his free time. That's the kind of person. How about me?
She likes to sleep. She likes to play with the cats. And definitely she likes to read books. And she likes to watch YouTube.
Oh yes. You know what's my favorite?
And don't leave your iPad with her. Right? The moment you get back, there's so many makeup tutorials on your YouTube.
Okay. Who's my favorite?
Zain Haji. Hijazi.
I love it, she's so funny.
Who's my favorite YouTuber?
Next
question, how long have we been together? It's been 5 and it will be 6 in November.
I thought we were going to... Okay, we're gonna take this. Are you sure you're up for it? So now you guys know why we haven't been here for the past 5 years we've been dating. Because this guy is like really afraid of heights. Next question.
What I'm good at?
He's good at working.
She's good at cooking.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, fried kway teow.
I only cook him one dish and he tells me I'm a chef.
Where are we now?
And Broadway!
Yeah! Up for the street of Cairo and Bombay.
You guys wanna know? You guys wanna know a fun fact? He was from the drama club when he was in secondary school. How cute!
Drama mama! When I first started drama, they gave me a lousy posting, which is as a garbage can.
Are you serious?
That was when I was performing in Republic Poly. So my mom and my dad came and then they said, huh? You become rubbish bin?
You never told me that story.
Because I was so embarrassed.
Nah, you have to start somewhere.
You know, garbage can, but garbage cannot.
Show your what? Congrats! Congrats to world's greatest wife.
Get to favorite features about each other?
I know. Guess what's my favorite feature of you?
The lips. My favorite features about Erra is definitely her eyes.
Next question.
What do we argue about the most? Definitely about my...
Punctuality. You always argue about how I can tell he's not telling me something, but he'll just say no, it's nothing, but there is something. Yeah, that's very annoying. He's always sulking.
Yeah.
Ranjit.
Because I want her attention.
Yeah, and I just can't. I need someone to just tell me so we can move on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is my favorite city?
You have so many. It's either Osaka or Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, I feel like it's one of those. Answer?
Actually, Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
Because it's relatively cheap against the Singapore dollars, and it's easier for us to find food there actually.
And the food is amazeballs.
What's your favorite food?
I know. His is nasi daging merah.
Yeah.
From Alami.
Yeah.
At Bukit Timah.
Yeah.
How about me?
Chicken rice, extra skin, no veggies. From anywhere. Yeah.
Oh, I know a good one. What was my first job?
Mango.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I was waiting for my N-levels.
Now she's gonna lose. What was my first job?
McDonald's. Excuse me. I'm so proud you work at McDonald's, okay? When you were what, 15? Yeah.
15. It was a tough life.
But it's so good.
Yeah. How much does a polar bear weigh?
You guys, the answer is going to be the most lamest thing.
The answer is... She's either gonna be laughing or just keep quiet like this. Answer is enough to break the ice.
Thanks for watching. I think we're just gonna end it off here. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And hopefully we'll see you guys again.
Bye bye.